Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mbali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how you can make money online, and just generally how you can gain a bit of financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I want to share with you some amazing websites and or companies that are willing to offer you part-time jobs that do not require you to do any talking, do not need a cell phone, and most importantly, you do not need to have experience in order for you to be able to work on these companies. If this sounds like something that you like to do, then you've landed on the right video. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't be shy to join our Mbali Talks community by just hitting the subscribe button below. If you've been with us since day one, thank you so very much for coming back. And also guys, please remember to always keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Not only that, please do hit the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube and other people can actually find this kind of valuable information. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The first company that is going to hire you that does not require any experience, does not require any talking, is a company called Unpayable. Unpayable is basically a translation platform. I do know that recently they introduced the ability to be able to translate for AI, sort of like AI training but for translation. So if you're somebody who's into AI and you want to learn more about companies that are into AI, that sort of thing, then Unpayable is definitely the company for you. Not only that, they do offer ordinary translation services as what we're going to see. Unpayable says translate the world as a freelance editor. Their goal at Unpayable is to create universal understanding through fast, high-quality translations. Their editors, which would be you if you decide to apply and get hired, make it all possible by refining machine-translated text. If you're multilingual, like English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, etc., then Unpayable offers you a side hustle that allows you to work from anywhere and you don't need to be a professional translator. So again, this already tells us that they do not need people with experience because you are going to learn on the job. Why would you want to become an Unpayable editor? First of all, you get paid on the go. You earn extra cash directly through PayPal or Payoneer by post-editing machine-translated text on your mobile or desktop device. Most likely for work like this, I would stick to you using a desktop device. I just feel like it makes things a whole lot more easier for you. Not only that, Unpayable gives you the opportunity to work from anywhere on your own schedule. All you need to get started is a multilingual brain and internet connection. You can choose to work full-time or part-time. Your schedule is 100% up to you. Joining Unpayable is actually very easy. They have an easy 5-step process here, which includes you signing up and completing a test to verify obviously the language skills that you would have said you actually possess. I did notice that when you click this Join Unpayable tab here, it'll bring you here where you are then supposed to put in your first language, your second language, etc. And then also explain the kind of levels that you actually speak that language in, whether it's native, whether you're proficient, whether you're independent. So if you're looking for either a full-time and or a part-time work from home job, I think Unpayable is definitely the company for you. If you're wondering how much money you can actually stand to make on Unpayable, I do notice that here they do not mention it. However, based on my research, a lot of translators make between 0.12 to 0.15 per word. So if your document and or your audio that you need to translate, say maybe has about 1,000 words, you do stand to make yourself 120 USD on just that one piece of job. So definitely look into Unpayable if you're looking for a part-time and or a full-time job that pays well online. The next website that you can look at if you're wanting to make some money online, either on a part-time and or a full-time basis, is called Voices. Voices is basically a marketplace for voice-over work. So if you feel like you have one of those voices that are unique and or you're somebody who's already participating in voice-over jobs, then voices.com is definitely the company for you. When you land on their website, there's 2 tabs here. Either you want to find talent, but this is for businesses that are looking for people like yourself. For you who is trying to find work, you're going to click this Find Work tab here, which is going to take you to a different page. Some of the companies that you can expect to work with on a platform like voices.com include Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery, one of my favorite brands, BMW, Cisco, Hulu, etc. So we're going to click this Find Work tab and see what they actually have to say with what you can expect if you're trying to find work as a voiceover artist. Voices.com says grow your voiceover career with jobs that match your skill. All you have to do is sign up and create your free voiceover profile. According to Voices.com, sign up is absolutely free, so you do not have to pay anything in order for you to be able to set up a profile and start working on Voices.com. They say whether you're starting out in voiceover or you've been hustling for years, nothing beats doing what you love while getting paid to do it. Better yet, with SurePay, which I'm assuming is a new payment platform that they actually use on their platform, their free payment protection service, your funds are automatically sent to you when you've completed the work. So you may find yourself actually getting paid on a daily basis here on voices.com just after you've completed your work, because that's what they say they offer. Meaning you'll never have to chase payments again. You will then build your income by creating packages and auditioning for jobs that match your skill. You'll also have access to thousands of jobs posted monthly, whether you're privately invited or matched through your Voices Premium membership. On voices.com, you will have access to over 42,000 companies that are always posting more than 5,000 jobs each month. So I can guarantee you that if you're good at what you do, you have a unique voice, you have a voice that is able to reach the kind of audience that you're looking for, then you're definitely going to find work on Unpayable. Some of the work that you can expect to do includes AI voices if you're somebody who's into AI. I will reiterate this like I've said in many other videos. AI is one of the easiest ways for you to be able to make money online right now, guys. It is a booming industry. And what I like about it is because there isn't prior experience with working with AI, they are always looking for people who are not experienced, because most of the companies are willing to train you. You can also be doing work like online ads, video narration, animation, audiobooks, a radio ad, television ad, etc. The possibilities on voices.com are absolutely endless, as you guys can see. They include podcasting, movie trailer, doing documentaries, doing like a telephone, hello, how are you type of voice if you have those kind of voices. I was just making an example, guys. I don't think I'm good for voiceover. But if you feel like you have that talent, then definitely look into voices.com as one of the companies that you can work for. I have put links in the description box, even for all the other companies that we're going to talk about, so that you guys do not have to struggle when you get online on which link you're actually supposed to follow in order for you to land on pages just like this. So based on my research of voices.com, I did notice that they say you can make anything between 150 to 200 to 300 USD per recording, which basically means obviously most of these recordings, maybe you find you take up an hour or 2 or 3 of you just working on that particular project. But if you're able to complete the work in that one day, then you can easily make yourself that amount of money on a daily basis. The next company that you can look into to make money online, whether you're looking for a part-time and or a full-time job, is a tutoring company called Course Hero. I have actually mentioned Course Hero before on this platform, but I just thought for this particular video, it's definitely worth mentioning again. Not only that, you stand to make a lot of money on a platform like Course Hero, as you guys are going to discover. Course Hero says, earn money as an online tutor, leverage your content knowledge to answer homework questions, and help over 20 million students. You can easily make up to 1,500 USD per month on a platform like Course Hero, but they do put a disclaimer here to say this represents monthly earnings for top tier tutors. Actual earnings may vary depending on number of questions answered, the subject, the category, question difficulty, answer quality, as well as other factors. As a tutor on Course Hero, you can easily make extra money. Top tutors, again, as they say, earn around 1,500 each month for answering questions in their subject matter domain. You work when you want. You can tutor online anytime with just a computer and an internet connection. No audio or video is required, so you will never be required for you to say maybe stand behind a camera and talk to students like some of the other online tutoring platforms. That's not how they work on Course Hero. On Course Hero, all you're going to be doing is answering people's questions that they have with regards to homework. Applying to be a tutor on Course Hero is actually very easy. It's a 4-step process where number 1, you create your Course Hero tutor account. Number 2, you provide basic info and select your tutoring subjects. Number 3, you upload your ID and academic credentials. Number 4, you get approved within 7 days and start tutoring. If you're wondering if you need to be a teacher in order for you to teach on Course Hero, the answer is no. They are not specifically looking for qualified teachers. They're just looking for people like you and I who either have a qualification and or some expertise in a certain field. This field can vary from anything between science, IT, accounting, taxation, auditing, etc. There's a wide variety of subjects that you can choose from. They have listed a few examples here, including nursing, computer science, statistics, and probability. So it's not just for people that are qualified teachers, maybe teaching high school, etc. It's also for people that have subject matter expertise in subjects that are taught at university level. This could even be business administration, it could be law, etc. So if you're looking to make some money online, working from the comfort of your home, at your own schedule, joining Course Hero is definitely one of the options options that I would advise for you. All you have to do is to come onto their platform and click this Become a Tutor tab in order for you to create your account and actually start working on Course Hero. Again, guys, I will say please use the links in the description box, because when you click Course Hero on Google just on its own, it may not bring you onto this page, because obviously they advertise for their potential customers, which are students. But because you and I are looking to become tutors, then it's best for you to use the link in the description box that is specific to becoming a tutor, that will land you on a page just like the one that you're seeing in front of you. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of today's video. I do hope that you found this information valuable. If you're somebody who's looking for a part-time and or a full-time job that can make you all the way up to 1,500 USD per month, just like we saw on the platform that we just spoke about. So if you found this information valuable, please do reward me by just hitting the like button, so that this video can obviously do well on YouTube and also be found by people just like yourself who need this kind of information. Not only that, if you haven't already, don't be shy, just hit the subscribe button and join the Mbali Talks community. And also, guys, please remember to always keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Otherwise, I wish you guys all the best. We're trying to find ways to make money online with all these platforms that are always being shared on Mbali Talks. I will see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.